are you? It's so good to see you.
Hey guys, how are you? It's Leanne here.
You can clean any room like this. Without further ado, let's jump into this. So join me on this journey and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content just like this.
Stick around until the end of the video.
Why? Because you don't want to miss the closet cleaning and organizing reveal. Oh, cool. Yup.
Eliminate all large items that are in the way. Move them into the hallway or any space that is out of the way and safe for everyone.
Don't miss the added bonus at the end.
So much. Make sure that you like and subscribe.